Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon if you like our content. How the elite in Dubai spend their money. Let's be honest, the lives of the rich and fancy pique our curiosity. Magazines such as Hello, OK, and a slew of others have made millions out of feeding our vicarious sensibilities and giving us a glimpse into the lives of the super-rich across the world. Being one of the quintessential luxury capitals in the world, how do you think the uber-rich people in Dubai spend their money? Today Webcastic TV brings you a list of the unbelievable ways rich people in Dubai spend their money. If you are super-rich, then why not? The super-rich in Dubai appear to live by the adage that, if you have it, flaunt it. You might have come across people splurging serious sums of money on luxury cars and houses, but in Dubai, if it's not made of gold, it's probably not worth mentioning. This is why the city of gold has a very particular set of things which are perceived as status symbols by the elite. Our list contains some of the most epic and outrageous ways people in Dubai choose to spend their many millions, or in some cases even billions. The Midas touch. If it isn't covered in gold, then it is probably not very interesting to a Dubai elite, unless of course if it is covered in diamonds instead. Giving old King Midas a serious run for his money, the rich people of Dubai are known to be obsessed with the shiny yellow metal. Whether it's a custom-made 24-karat gold iPhone or an entire Mercedes covered by white gold. Every now and then you'll find the rich kids of Dubai flaunting a new blingy accessory that befits the Emirates' fixation with gold. The gold ATMs. Withdrawing wads of money is just too mainstream for the super-rich residents of Dubai. It's ATMs spewing gold that is more up their alley. Unbelievable, right? However, that is just another typical rich people thing in Dubai. There are actual ATMs in Dubai that are not only made out of gold but even dispense gold coins, bars and medallions. It works just like any other ATM machine where you swipe your card, but instead of money, gold comes out. One such machine is installed in the iconic Burj Khalifa. The celebrity connections. If you missed out on your chance of meeting your favorite celebrity, then don't worry, you can hire them for a private meeting. Most of us can only wish to be lucky enough to click a selfie with our favorite stars, but for the filthy rich elite in Dubai, it is just a matter of booking their favorite stars for a private meeting. Celebrities like Wiz Khalifa, French Montana, Paris Hilton and Chris Brown will play and even DJ at your party, but you'll only have to pay them around AED 1.1–1.8 M, which is no biggie for billionaires. The glamorous hotels. Expensive and luxury hotels have long been associated with the portfolio of rich people, and the Dubai elite are no different. One other habit that the rich people in Dubai like to indulge in is to enjoy the over-the-top luxuries provided by some of the most expensive and lavish hotels in Dubai. For instance, spending a single night at one of the 2 underwater rooms at the Atlantis. The swanky rides. Ever seen a luxury car traffic jam? In Dubai, this is just a normal Thursday evening. Luxury sports cars are a routine sight in Dubai, especially for the super-rich. While some of us can only dream about driving our favorite supercars, Dubai's elite are known to take their Bugattis and Lamborghinis for a quick grocery run. The royal family of Dubai is also well known for their love of exclusive supercars. The passion for fashion. It is a well-known fact that the elite in Dubai are serious fashionistas. The Dubai Mall alone is a testament to the city's never-ending love for couture. The latest collections of Valentino, Gucci, Prada, Chanel, Burberry and more are known to be first seen on the super-rich in Dubai. The gold-plated dining. It's easy to see that apart from a love for the flamboyant, Dubai's elite also has a special soft corner for gold. But their love for gold doesn't just stop with jewelry or accessories. Dubai is also well known for its special gold-flavored treats. From the $1,200 cupcake at the famous Bloomsbury Cupcake Shop, to the Golden Phoenix, which features 23-karat edible gold sheets in addition to gold-dipped strawberries all served on a gold-plated cake stand, there's plenty of gold-infused food for the elite in Dubai to indulge in.